Yeah, man, this thing finally came down in that windstorm last night. Glad my truck, normally I park my truck over here. Glad I wasn't parked there. I gotta clear this crap out of here before I can get out of here this morning though. All right. I got that picked up just enough to get through. Boy, that's gonna be a fun little project. Yeah, that thing's been leaning. It's been up on the hill there leaning for a couple years. I knew it was coming down eventually. And I guess last night's windstorm was the night. There's a lot of wood in there. I got a buddy at work that burns wood, so I have to have him over and have him chop that thing up. Fun stuff.